Oh boy, have we had an incredibly busy time over here at the Canadian Coffee and Tea Show in Toronto this week. With a packed out exhibition stand and lots of ice cream dispensed. You know, a packed out exhibition stand is quite an understatement, but people from all over Canada rushed over to see us, so it rather looks like we have sold an exciting number of one-shot machines. Now we've got the ANUGA exhibition coming up next, over in Cologne, Germany. You can find us in Hall 4.1 on stand C058, and please come straight over to the stand as your first point of destination, preferably as early as possible, because our main Facebook events page for ANUGA 2019 has hundreds of people interested in attending the event. See you at ANUGA 2019. And don't forget, come as early as you can, so that you can beat the anticipated crowds visiting the stand. Massive global interest and understatement, and we are dramatically gaining international market share. No matter where you are, the one-shot pod dispensing system is coming your way.